Hey, what's up? So it's Han Solo, and today I'm going to be making a YouTube video on how to make your online presence a little bit more eco-friendly. Yeah, so like, subscribe, share, and enjoy the video. So first of all, web browsers. There are really good web browsers like Google Chrome. You're going to be able to surf the internet really quickly with a nice interface, but the downside to that is that they're just selling off your data to the highest broker, and you're just, in general, by using that type of software, you're supporting big tech, and you kind of want to start to minimize that as much as you can. So what I'm doing to do that is use Ecosia. That is a green, eco-friendly browser, and they use the money that they make to plant trees and invest in green energy. So how does Ecosia make money? Ecosia makes money by ads, number one, just like any other web-based platform, and two, by sponsored links. So either you'll click on a link that's on the Ecosia page and then they get money, or when you're surfing the web and you go to buy something, something pops up on the side and it says, do you want to buy this through Ecosia? And if you press on OK, then a certain percentage of the money that you pay goes back to Ecosia. So Ecosia is also investing in clean energies. They see how much people use their platform, and then according to that, they invest in clean energies like solar panels and so on and so forth. But if you still want to use Google Chrome for whatever reason, then there is a add-on, a plugin you can download for Google Chrome. It's called FreeTree, and that basically does everything that would be happening if you download the Ecosia web browser app. So yeah, use an encrypted messenger service. There's a lot of messenger service, there's WhatsApp, Telegram, but what I started using is Signal. That is always, whatever you're doing, it's from end-to-end encrypted. It doesn't matter if it's text, pictures, video calls, whatever you're doing, it's always encrypted. Also, the program is open source, so anybody can look at the code and see if there's any mistakes in there or if it can be improved in any way, and that makes it a lot more easy to get a better program up and running. Last but not least, try to buy as much open source hardware and software as possible. Well, software basically, but yeah, because just to name a few, there is some open source programs are Firefox, Linux, a photo editing software that's called GIMP, and what they basically do is they have an ethics code, and that ethics code implies that they're going to give the end user the best possible experience for free, and that free means with no ads, with no additional strings attached. It's just there for you to use. So that's what they say. It's obviously not a 100% guarantee, but the chances are pretty high that most open source companies will keep to that ethics code. So if you want to do yourself a favor and the people around you, try to follow these steps to get a sustainable web browser, open source web browser. Use encrypted messenger services, and just in general, try to use open source product, because that's only going to help you and the people around you. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy your day, and peace out.